Yes, it will start tomorrow in the morning, and the idea of the whole event is to connecting the tradition of the happening of the Balkan Anarchist Book Fairs. As you know, first was in Ljubljana and the second in Zagreb. After that, the whole idea became very weak, and just in Zagreb people continue to doing anarchist book fairs, but not as a Balkan anarchist book fairs. So our idea is to gathering people from different countries to not just to exchanging books, but also to discuss the problems and the topics connected with anarchist movement here, because we think that we have to know each other better, because we don't know each other better, and we have to know the groups in all different countries. Unfortunately, you know that people in Balkans always have problems with traveling, with the visas and with the money, so we will not have probably many people from the Balkans, but we will have from Greece, from Serbia, from I hope from Croatia, and even from Slovenia, and probably from Macedonia. And we will have also the guests from other countries in Europe, like England, and even from Australia we have one guest. But the whole thing is that we have to discuss the problems of the anarchist movement and to know better each other.
Just for the information, we can say how long will it last, this festival?
Yes. The first day will beginning in the morning, and in Saturday and in Sunday it will be in one hall where we can have discussions and exchanging the books. It will last from 10 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. And in the last day, in the 2nd of June, this is the day when one of our national poets, who was also the first Bulgarian anarchist, died. So all political parties use that date to go to put some flowers on his monument. So we can go in one anarchist demonstration into all the international comrades and to recognize that this poet was the first Bulgarian anarchist, and to show our presence there. So we will try to make it the last day in the street.